Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the BUTTR Double Trouble fisting dildo. So let's get started. So this is the BUTTR Double Trouble fisting dildo itself. As you can see, it's a really impressive size. And this is an XXL plug, so you can take on the challenge with the Double Trouble fisting dildo. This is a plug for those who are truly experienced in anal play, so this is not recommended for beginners. The material is smooth and supple and will slide optimally with the help of a suitable fisting lubricant. It also has a strong suction cup at the bottom just here, which helps the dildo stay in place and gives you confidence during penetration. Now, when using the Double Trouble fisting dildo, if you don't have a fisting lubricant with you, you can always use a water-based lubricant as well for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the fisting dildo after every use using either toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the BUTTR Double Trouble fisting dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.